Hello everyone, in this video we are going to present our somatosensory physiology practical. Somatosensory is divided into paleosensibility and neosensibility. Paleo includes temperature and skin reactions, while neo includes localizations of touch, discrimination of pressure, texture, shape, size, and also intensity of stimulus.
The sensation of hot and cold is not determined by the absolute temperature of an object, but by the speed of heat gain or loss by the skin. The procedure. First, prepare 3 bowls containing ice water, hot water at 50 degrees Celsius, and lukewarm water around 30 degrees. Place the right finger in ice water and the left finger in hot water. After that, put both fingers into the lukewarm water. The perception will be different depending on the previous condition of the skin.
Paleo skin reaction. Heat, cold, touch, and pain are transmitted by different nerve fibers that connect to the specific point in the skin. The density of these sensory points is not the same in every body area. To test this, we mark a 3 by 3 centimeter area on the palm, then apply a hot brass cone at 70 degrees Celsius to locate heat points, and a cold cone for cold points. Each sensitive point is marked and later drawn on paper. The same procedure is repeated for the forearm.
In this test, the subject closes their eyes. The fingertip is touched with a pencil, and the subject must indicate the exact spot using another pencil. The distance between the stimulus point and the pointed spot is measured in millimeters. The test is repeated 3 times, and the average is calculated. This procedure is also carried out on the palm, the forearm, and the upper arm to compare accuracy.
For pressure discrimination, calipers are used. Sometimes the tips are applied simultaneously, sometimes successfully, and the subject must tell if they feel 1 or 2 points. For texture discrimination, the subject touches sandpapers of different roughness with closed eye to test sensitivity. For shape discrimination, small objects such as circles, rectangles, triangles, or ovals are touched and identified without vision. For size discriminations, the subject presses metal rings of different sizes with the palm and compares them.
The ability to discriminate stimulus strength does not depend on the absolute force, but on relative differences. The procedure is, with eyes closed, the subject's hand is placed on the table. A box with a 5-gram weight is placed on the fingers. Then weights are added until the subject notices the differences. The same is repeated with initial loads of 10, 50, and 100 grams. The result shows that the larger the initial weight, the larger the difference needed to feel it. This follows the Weber-Fechner law. And that is the end of our somatosensory physiology practical report. Thank you for watching.